Hi guys, I'm so excited to share with you the Carrot Colour Pots from Ere Perez. The brand kindly gifted me 4 shades and I'll be swatching them all for you now. I find the formula to be creamy, lightweight and blendable. It gives a nice glow to the skin and has a satin finish. The bonus is you can just use your fingers to apply the product, which makes it easy, especially on those days when you don't have time to do a full face, but just want a pop of colour. You can apply these shades to your cheeks, lips and eyelids, so you could do a whole makeup look just using the one product.